If you're running a WooCommerce store and want to upgrade your product variations from boring drop downs to beautiful color swatches, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to add color swatches plugin in WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your device. Sign into your account, and then once signed in, head over into the plugins page. So once you're on the plugins page, go ahead and search for Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. So this plugin would basically allow you to add color swatches into your WooCommerce site. So go ahead and look for that using the search bar on the plugins marketplace. And then once you find that on the results section, go ahead and install and activate this. So you need to basically install WooCommerce and upgrade to business plan if you're planning to install this plugin. Next, we'll create the attributes that power your swatches. So go ahead and head over to your products, attributes, and add a new one like color, then configure terms to add specific options like red, blue, or green. You can even assign custom colors or images to each term. Now let's link this attribute to your product. So edit a product, set it as a variable product, and other attributes, add your color attribute. Make sure to check use for variations and then go to variations and create one for each color. And that's it. You've just added a color swatch to your WooCommerce store. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.